हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। क्या हाल चाल? सब बढ़िया, सब ठीक। तो guys, we are going to do here is direction sense test. Okay, very easy chapter. This is a chapter of logical reasoning in which you can score 5 out of 5 marks. Direction sense test, अपने को क्या याद रखना है? What we have to learn? Easy directions. Okay, what you have studied in the childhood. So suppose this is the center point. If you will go up, how many directions we can? You can go here. So we can go. If you'll go up, it is a north. Very good. If you'll come down, it is a south. If it will go right side, it will be a east. If it will go left side, it will be a west. Right, this is the direction only we know, and the few direction is in between them. Right, between them is northeast. Then here is between them is what? Between them is southeast. Here what is the between them? Between them is northwest. And what is here? Here the between them is the southwest. Okay, so this is what? This is the direction what we know already, right? So north down is south, right side is east, left side is west. Between is northeast, this between is southeast, southwest, northwest. We know this, right? The first thing what you have to remember is this direction. Okay guys, here you have to keep the few things in your mind, very important. First thing is, once you will start, okay, your direction is fixed. Imagine as an example, suppose you have started from here, you went 5 kilometer towards north. Okay, so 5 kilometer towards north. Then you move 10 kilometer towards east. So guys, east is which? This side is east, right? So this side 10 kilometer, correct? Now if they will ask you, you have moved 10 kilometer towards south. 10 kilometer towards south. So remember the thing, when you have started, your direction is fixed. North, south, east, west, it's fixed, correct? So now you see, every time make the arrow. So this arrow indicates that you are facing that side. Okay, so now you are facing towards east. They told 10 kilometer towards south. So where is south? We have started with up is north. So obviously down is south, so we will come. Wait, yeah, we'll come. We will come down, correct? We will come down, right? Yeah, this down is 10 kilometer. So don't do mistake that 10 kilometer they told south means you are going back. Why? Because our back is down is south, means sorry, the backward is south. So what we are doing, backward is south means we are going backward, this side south. No. What will happen? Moi. Yes, moi will happen. So what we have to do? They told 10 kilometer towards south, means we know that we have started with a north, so direction is fixed. This side is east. South means we have to go down, that is a south. Don't go backward as a, okay, I am facing this side, so south means my back side. So from here you will turn and go back toward the south. No. This side is west. Okay, so south means down. The first thing you have to keep in your mind, once you have started, your direction is fixed. Don't change the direction in middle. First thing. Second thing you have to keep in your mind is this arrow is very important. And this, why? Because see, 5 kilometer, this you have to write it here. 5 kilometer you went up, 10 kilometer towards east, and then 10 kilometer towards south. South means, guys, see why it is important, because you will get the accurate measurement. Okay, so suppose if they will say, if they will ask, like from starting point you are in which direction? So from starting point you are in which direction? You are here direction. So here is the what direction? Southeast. Yes, the direction is southeast. Done. Now if they will ask what is the distance? What is the distance from the starting point? Then what you are going to tell? You have to measure this. we have to measure this white line, right? You have to measure this white distance. So what we have to do for measuring this, what we have to do, see, this is not a straight line. If a straight line means, you will easily tell that it is a 10 kilometer. It is not a straight line. What is it? It is slant, or we can say it as a inclined line. Okay, it is a slant, or we can say it as a inclined line. Okay, so remember the thing, if the line is inclined and you have to find for the inclined distance, what you have to do, we have to use a Pythagoras theorem. What we will do, we'll draw one line here, then this will be our triangle. See, this, and this is, if you'll join here, this is your triangle. So remember the thing, if you have to find for the inclined line, okay, if you have to find the distance for the inclined line, or you can say if you have to find the distance for the slant line, then we are using a Pythagoras theorem. And the formula for Pythagoras theorem is perpendicular square, P is nothing but perpendicular, B is the base, perpendicular square plus base square equals hypotenuse square, perpendicular square plus base square equal hypotenuse square. Okay, so this is the thing, this is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. So what is the perpendicular? This straight vertical line, this vertical line is the perpendicular. This straight line is what? This straight line is the base. Okay, what is this? This perpendicular line, this vertical line is the perpendicular, this horizontal line is the base. What is that horizontal line? Horizontal line is base. Perpendicular, vertical line is perpendicular, horizontal line is base, and what the inclined line is? Hypotenuse. So what we have to do, we have to write the values. So base is what? This is this line, this is a base, so which is similar to this line. So a base is 10, right? Base value is 10. Hypotenuse we have to find, we don't know. And the perpendicular, see, the perpendicular from here to here, it is 10, right? The perpendicular from here to here, it is 10. So but we know that we have to find only this blue color. So what it will be? See, this green is 5, so remaining blue color is 5. So that's why we have to measure, means we have to write this properly, so it will be, means it will help us for measuring. Okay, so then you can find perpendicular is what? 5. So 5 is square plus base is how much? 10. 10 is square equals hypotenuse is square. So 5 is square is 25 plus 10 is square is 100 equals h square. So 100 plus 25 is 125 equals h square. So h is what? Square root of 125 is h, height. Okay, square root of 125 is height. Now you can take the calculator and you can do the 125 square root, you will get the answer. So this is the thing. First thing what we understand, once we have started, our direction is fixed. Okay, if they will say south, means we will go down, we will not go back side to the west. Okay, that is the first thing. Second thing is what? You have to give this value 5, 10, 10. So that's why you will get to know exactly where you have to go. Either you have to go more than 5, less than 5, exact to the 5. Okay, because they have told 10. 10 means more than 5. Okay, like that. And it will be helpful for finding the values. And the very important thing, the third thing is what you have to keep in your mind is, if suppose they will say, what they will say? They will say to find the distance between the initial and the final point. What you have to do? You have to see if the line is straight, it's okay, we can able to find. If the line is slant or if the line is inclined, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. P square plus B square is equal to H square. You know what is the perpendicular, what is the base, and what is the hypotenuse. You will use, and with the help of your calculator, you will get the answer. And the very important thing is, last is angle. Okay, angle is very important. We know there they will ask the two types, anti-clockwise or clockwise. So sorry, clockwise or anti-clockwise. So clockwise means towards right side, clockwise means towards right side. So this side, right? If the rotation is like this, correct, it is the clockwise, because we know how the clock will rotate, like this, towards right side, clockwise. It will go towards left side, anti-clockwise, right? If it will go like this towards left side, it is what? It is anti-clockwise. Left side is anti-clockwise, right side is clockwise. Remember the thing. Okay. Now very important thing is the angle. What is the important thing is the angle, because in the examination the question is there. The question will be there for angle. So suppose you are starting from here. Okay. So this is your baseline. So what is the angle for the baseline? Angle for the baseline is 0 degree. Don't say 180 degree. Baseline, from where you are starting line, baseline, it is 0. Once you will reach like this, then it is total is 180 degree. Okay. So baseline it was 0 degree. We know that this is how much? This is full is 90 degree. Okay. So what we know? Like we know the direction is like northeast, north, northwest, west. So in between. So every is what? Every is 45 degree. 45 degree till here. Then till here. Again plus 45. So 90 degree. Then till here is what? This is 90 degree plus 45 degree. So 135 degree, correct? Then again till here 135 plus for this is how much? 45. So it will be a total 180 degree. We know that one is 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, like that, correct? So it's a 45 degree, total is 90 degree. Then again if you reach it here towards northwest, it is 135 degree. Again to the west is total 180 degree. Then see, from west to southwest it is 45 degree. For every it will be a 45. Southwest to south it is 45 degree. Obviously we know, but from here to till here, how much it will be? 180 degree plus 45, it is 225 degree. Then again till here, till south, if you will start from here, starting point, if you will reach till here, so 225 plus 45 is 270 degree, like that only. Okay, if you will start from here, see, start from here, you are reaching here 45 degree. Starting from here, you are reaching here 90 degree. Same, starting from here, if you are reaching here 135, you are reaching here 180, you are reaching here 225. Means what we have to do? Keep on adding 45, 45, 45, like that. If you are reaching here 270, if you are reaching here, again you have to add 45, means 315. If you are reaching here, again you have to add 45, means 360 degree. So what you have to do? Every you are going 45, 45, 45, 45, 45, right? And we are keep on adding. So here 45, 90, 135, 180. Then you will reach here southwest is 245, sorry 225. Then here 270, 315, 360. Okay. So I hope you have understand till here. Okay. So this is only the concept for the direction sense test. बस इतना ही concept रखना है और कुछ नहीं. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Now where we will go? We will go for solving the sums. Okay, we'll solve the few sums, so that's why your problem, your doubt will get over. Okay, what we will do? We will solve the few sums, so your problem, your doubt will get over. Okay. So this is very easy. You can score 5 out of 5 marks. So see, logical reasoning is a very important where you can boost your marks. Out of 20 you can score 16, 17. So see, 17 marks. And statistics out of 40 easily you can score 30. 30 plus 17, 47. You are pass. In mathematics score some 15, 16. You will cross 60 plus. You are in the bonus. Okay. Now we will go for the questions. We have a few questions. Okay. वाह यहाँ पे, हाँ बस चलो. किशन वॉक्स 10 किलोमीटर. किशन चला 10 किलोमीटर. किशन वॉक्स 10 किलोमीटर टूवर्ड्स नॉर्थ. तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे. किशन चला टन टना नॉर्थ पे 10 किलोमीटर. ओके. फ्रॉम देयर ही वॉक 6 किलोमीटर टूवर्ड्स साउथ. Guys, he walked 6 kilometers towards south. Means where is the south? Obviously we know, once we have started, direction is fixed. We have started with north, so south will come down. And 6 kilometers he told just 6 kilometers. Means from here to here it is 10. 6 means we will come almost here. Okay, this is 6, remaining is this is 4, right? What they have told, then he walks 3 kilometers towards east. What he did, he walked the 3 kilometers towards east. So east is, guys, which side? Don't think that he is facing down, so right side is east. You will move right side, this side is east. No, 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 no. This is the thing what I am saying. Once you have started, direction is fixed. Went up 10 kilometer north, you are coming down 6 kilometer to the south. East is which side? We have already started north, south, east, right? So this side is the east. So he will go what? He will go how many? 3 kilometer towards east. So 3 kilometer towards east. Okay, that's the thing. What the other thing the other student will do? Okay, is coming down. So east means right side. He will move right side. No, east means this is the east, because as I have told you, once you have started, you have to fix the direction. Don't change it. So east is this side. So I asked how far and in which direction is he with reference to starting point. So starting point is here, he reached here. So which direction? This is which direction? Northeast. So direction, see guys, that is very simple thing. You have to see the option. Okay, this is which direction? It started from here, now it is here. So north and east, northeast, right? So see the option northeast. Answer is this. Done. Simple. If suppose the option is one more northeast is there, so we'll find how far. How far means what we will do? We have to measure this distance, right? So what we will do? Pythagoras theorem, because we have to find the slant distance, slant height. So Pythagoras theorem. So what is the P? P, we know that perpendicular. See, this is a triangle. This is a triangle. This is a triangle. Yeah. So perpendicular is the P. So this is the P. Okay. Horizontal is the base. And what we have to find is the hypotenuse. So what is the value of perpendicular? Perpendicular is just 4. Base is how much? Base is 3. That's it. So perpendicular is square plus base is square. So perpendicular is 4 square. So 16 plus base is square. Base square is what? 3 square. So 9 equals hypotenuse square. So 16 plus 9 is 25. So 25 equals hypotenuse square. So how we will find the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is square root of 25. So square root of 25 is 5. Answer, right? Okay. So now we'll go for the next is, yeah, this one. I am facing east. What is the question? Question is I am facing east. Okay, fine. So he is facing towards east. His face is towards east side. Okay. What is the question? Question is I turned 100 degree in the clockwise direction. So guys, his face is like this side, east. Okay, he is facing towards east. Correct. He moved 100 degree in clockwise. So clockwise means right side. So 100 degree guys, from here to here. How much? 90 degree. So 100 means little more than this, right? So this is be a 100 degree in a clockwise direction. Then after that he told, and then 145 degree in anti-clockwise. What he told? 145 degree in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise is what? Left side. Left side means this side is anti-clockwise. How much degree? 145 degree. So see, again from here to here it will reach 100 degree. 45 means this. Correct? In between. So this is what? This is 100 and this 145 degree. Correct? So what is this? This is northeast. Okay. So they have asked which direction am I facing? Northeast. Okay. Northeast. Northeast. Okay. Now the question number 4. Question number 4 is a man facing northwest. A man facing northwest. Northwest is which side? Northwest is which side, guys? Yeah, this side is northwest. The man is facing northwest. Okay. He turns 90 degree in clockwise direction. He turns 90 degree. 90 means, guys, see here. Here to here it is 45. Again this 45. Correct? Here to here 45. Here to here 45. So this is 90 degree. 90 degree in clockwise. Okay. And then 135 degree in clockwise. Again 135 degree in clockwise. So from here 135 degree in clockwise direction. So clockwise means see 45. Again this 45. Right, from here to here 45. Here to here 45 means 90 degree. and then again 45 is 135. Correct. So this is a 135 degree. Okay, 135 degree in clockwise, because see here, this is from here to here 45, here 90, here 135. So which direction he is facing? He is facing towards south direction. He is facing towards south direction. Okay guys, wait a minute, I will bring the charger. Yeah, so I am here. Charger. किसका है ये तुमको इंतजार मैं हूं ना. ये चार्जर बोलता रहता है लैपटॉप को, देख लो इधर तो एक बार मैं हूं ना. सो साउथ इज द आंसर. साउथ आ गया आंसर. बहुत बढ़िया. अब क्या है, ये डायरेक्शन वाला एंगल वाला हमेशा पूछता है. ठीक है. अब है आई एम फेसिंग साउथ. ऑलरेडी बोल दिया है भाई, हम साउथ फेस कर रहे हैं. आई एम फेसिंग साउथ, कोई बकवास नहीं करेगा. ठीक है, ठीक. आई टर्न राइट एंड वॉक 20 मीटर. ओके, तो इसका मतलब क्या है कि ये साउथ पे फेस कर रहा था. राइट. व्हाट ही वाज डूइंग, वो साउथ पे फेस कर रहा था. ठीक. उसके बाद वो टर्न करके मुड़ा. ओके. ही टोल्ड आई एम फेसिंग साउथ, आई टर्न राइट एंड वॉक 20 मीटर. तो गाइस राइट साइड मुड़ेगा, तो इधर फेस कर रहा था. राइट. इधर फेस कर रहा था, इधर साउथ पे फेस कर रहा था. उसका मुंह इधर था, तो इधर मुंह था. वो टर्न हो गया, मुड़ गया और वॉक किया कितना, राइट साइड. राइट साइड इस साइड हो गया. राइट. ही वॉक्ड हाउ मच, ही वॉक्ड 20 मीटर. वॉक्ड 20 मीटर, यहाँ से यहाँ तक चलो 20 मीटर. ठीक है. I turn right and walk 20 meter. Then I turn right again and walk 10 meter. तो मतलब ये ऐसे इधर फेस इसका फिर से ये वॉक किया, 10 मीटर गया इधर. ओके. Then I turn left and walk 10 किलोमीटर. अब ये लेफ्ट 10 मीटर लेफ्ट मुड़ के वॉक किया 10 मीटर. किधर जा रहा है भाई पता नहीं. एंड देन टर्निंग राइट वॉक 20 मीटर. फिर से राइट की वॉक किया. क्या गजब बेइज्जती है यार. चले जा रहा, घर पे कोई नहीं, इसको चले जा रहा. बुलाओ इसको, कोई घर पे बैठा उठाओ. देखो कहीं जा रहा है, हमसी बम 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 करते हुए जा रहा है कहीं ना कहीं. चलो 20 मीटर पहुंचा कहीं. फिर बोल रहा है देन आई टर्न राइट अगेन. फिर से राइट मुड़ा एंड वॉक 60 किलोमीटर, सॉरी 60 मीटर यार. एंड वॉक 60 मीटर. गाइज यहाँ से अब टर्न करेगा राइट और 60 मीटर जाएगा. देखो यहाँ से यहाँ कितना है, 10 है. फिर यहाँ तक 30, मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ तक आएगा 30 है. करेक्ट. इसको जाना है 60, मतलब ऑलमोस्ट इससे ज़्यादा चला जाएगा कहीं भी. सही आ गया 60. अब बोल रहा है कि इन विच डायरेक्शन एम आई फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से किस डायरेक्शन में भाई. तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इसका ये हो गया, ये इस डायरेक्शन में है. तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट से ये किस में है, नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है. तो आंसर हो जाएगा हमारा नॉर्थ ईस्ट. अब आओ आइए साहब. ए मैन वॉक्स 1 किलोमीटर टूवर्ड्स ईस्ट. चलो 1 किलोमीटर टूवर्ड्स ईस्ट एंड देन ही टर्न्स टू साउथ. साउथ गया एंड वॉक्स 5 किलोमीटर. ठीक है, 5 किलोमीटर. अगेन ही टर्न्स टू ईस्ट, मतलब फिर से इधर जाएगा एंड वॉक्स 2 किलोमीटर. चलो इधर फिर 2 किलोमीटर गया. आफ्टर दिस ही टर्न्स टू नॉर्थ एंड वॉक्स 9 किलोमीटर. नॉर्थ मतलब ये 5 है, ये ज़्यादा चला गया यहाँ तक 9 किलोमीटर. आफ्टर दिस ही टर्न टू नाउ हाउ फार इज ही फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट. यहाँ स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है, ये यहाँ पहुँचा. तो फिर से देख लो क्या डिस्टेंस क्या है गाइस. हाँ वेरी गुड, डिस्टेंस इंक्लाइंड है सर. तो इंक्लाइंड के लिए तो सर ने आपको बताया था कि कौन सा फॉर्म लगेगा, पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. तो ये बना देंगे हम लोग ट्राइंगल. देखो ये ट्राइंगल बन गया. तो ये हो गया हाइपोटेन्यूस. जो मालूम करना है, परपेंडिकुलर इतना सा हो गया, ब्लू कलर का बेस ये पूरा हो गया. तो परपेंडिकुलर कितना गाइस, देखो पूरा है 9, फुल इज 9 किलोमीटर एंड दिस इज 5. सो 9 दिस इज 5. 9 - 5 परपेंडिकुलर इज 4 किलोमीटर। व्हाट इज द बेस? बेस ये 1 है, ये 2 है, मतलब बेस हो गया 3। तो सेम कर लो इसको, निकल जाएगा 5 किलोमीटर आंसर। ओके, अब आते हैं नेक्स्ट चीज, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। हाँ, ये वाला। एक बच्चा अपने बाप को खोजता रहता है, उसका बाप पता नहीं कहाँ जा चुका है, लेकिन बच्चा खोज रहा है बाप को, खोज रहा है बाप को, खोज रहा है बाप को। बस चलो खोजते हैं बच्चे के बाप को। तो बच्चा का बाप किधर जा चुका है? अभी होली आया था ना, तो बच्चे के बाप कहीं पी करके गया होगा घूमने घामने के लिए। बच्चा घूम रहा, ढूंढ रहा अपना बाप को। बाप बोल रहा है मैं नहीं मिलूंगा। ओके, ए चाइल्ड इज लुकिंग फॉर हिज फादर। ठीक है, ही वेंट 90 मीटर इन द ईस्ट। ही वेंट 90 मीटर इन द ईस्ट बिफोर टर्निंग टू हिज राइट। Guys, this is a very important question where the maximum student will get confused. They told he went 90 meter in the east before turning to his right, means he went 90 meter in the east, after that he will turn right, because before turning to his right he went 90 meter in the east. Okay, so that's why he said that he went 90 meter in the east. Okay, he went 90 meter in the east before turning to his right, means after that where he will turn? He will turn towards right side. Then he told he went 20 meter before turning to his right. Again he went from here 20 meter before turning to his right, means again he will turn right side. Turns right again to look for his father at his uncle's place, जो 30 मीटर फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, मतलब इस पॉइंट से कितना राइट साइड मुड़ के गया तो 30 मीटर है। तो ये 30 मीटर पहुंच गया अपने अंकल की जगह पे अपने बाप को ढूंढने के लिए, लेकिन बोला कि हिज फादर वॉज नॉट देयर। मोए मोए हो गया गाइस, उसके बाप वहां था ही नहीं। हिज फादर वॉज नॉट देयर। सो फ्रॉम हियर ही वेंट 100 मीटर टू द नॉर्थ बिफोर मीटिंग हिज फादर इन अ स्ट्रीट। तो यहाँ से कहाँ चला गया? ये नॉर्थ में चला गया 100 मीटर। 100 मीटर गाइस नॉर्थ में चला गया अपने बाप से मिलने से पहले, क्योंकि उसका बाप उसको कहाँ मिला? स्ट्रीट पे मिला, जमीन पे, सड़क पे, पी के बेचारा। हाउ फार डिड द सन मीट हिज फादर फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट? कितना दूर पे मिला? उतना दूर पे मिला जितना दूर पे उसका बाप पी के पड़ा हुआ था। बाप नहीं, ये तो बाप हो गया। तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ है और यहाँ पे इसका हुआ है, ठीक है, इसका बाप को मिला ये डिस्टेंस। फिर से डिस्टेंस क्या है? स्लैंट है, तो हाइपोटेन्यूस। हाइपोटेन्यूस मतलब पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। पाइथागोरस थ्योरम मतलब ये हो गया ट्राइंगल ले लेंगे, देख लो ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बन गया। तो ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल बन गया, तो बताओ ये बेटा परपेंडिकुलर है, तो इस वर्टिकल वाला परपेंडिकुलर हो गया, हॉरिजॉन्टल वाला बेस हो गया। तो परपेंडिकुलर कितना होगा? यहाँ से यहाँ तक परपेंडिकुलर 100 है, जिसमें 20 माइनस कर दो ये, तो परपेंडिकुलर आपका येलो वाला हो जाएगा 80। बेस कितना है? बेस गाइस पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक बेस 90 है, जिसमें आप माइनस कर दो 30, तो येलो वाला बेस कितना हो जाएगा? 60। तो इसको पाइथागोरस थ्योरम करो, निकलेगा पी स्क्वायर कितना? 80 स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर इज 60 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स एच स्क्वायर। तो 80 स्क्वायर कितना है? 6400 प्लस 60 स्क्वायर कितना है? 3600 इक्वल्स कितना हो गया? हाइपोटेन्यूस स्क्वायर हो गया। तो अब निकालो 6400 प्लस 3600 कितना हो गया? 10000 हो गया। हाइपोटेन्यूस स्क्वायर हो गया, तो हाइपोटेन्यूस कितना होता है? हाइपोटेन्यूस होता है स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 10000। स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 10000 कितना होता है? 100 होता है। तो हाइपोटेन्यूस कितना हो गया? 100 हो गया। तो आंसर कितना हो गया? आंसर 100 हो गया। तो बाप अपने मतलब बच्चा अपने बाप को कहाँ ढूंढ रहा? 100 मीटर दूर पे, ठीक है। ऐसा गलत गलत कहा है, 100 मीटर इज द आंसर। ओके, यहाँ पे समझ में आ गया सबको? यस सर, वेरी गुड। चलो आगे। उसके बाद आते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे, अच्छा सॉरी ये, चलो। राजू इज रामूज नेबर। राजू किसका नेबर है? रामू का। रामू काका, रामू काका। तो राजू, अरे बाबा राजू रे, राजू रे तेरा क्या नाम रे? तू आम। ओ ये शांत कोई नहीं आम रे। चलो, तो राजू, राजू रे देवा, रामू काका। तो राजू इज रामूज नेबर, तो सबसे पहले व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल मेक रामू हाउस एज द रेफरेंस बिकॉज राजू इज रामूज नेबर, तो रामू हाउस इज रेफरेंस। रामू काका मुझे सब पता है। ओके सो रामू काका हाउस। ओके सर राजू बाटली मस्त बाटली में उतारा रहा राजू। सो राजू इज रामूज नेबर एंड ही स्टे 100 मीटर टुवर्ड साउथ ईस्ट। सो रामू काका के हाउस से 100 मीटर साउथ ईस्ट मीन्स साउथ एंड ईस्ट, सो ही इज स्टेइंग हियर। करेक्ट, दिस इज राजू, बाबू भाई वाला राजू का घर, राजू। ओके देन ही टोल्ड Venu is Raju's neighbor and he stays 100 मीटर टुवर्ड साउथ वेस्ट। वीनू राजू से साउथ वेस्ट मतलब इधर। ठीक है, ये हो गया रेणु गोपाल अय्यर। मुत्तुस्वामी परमस्वामी रेणु गोपाल अय्यर। ठीक है, चरम से नहीं पता इसका, चरम कुछ था पता नहीं। ओके, Kadir is Venu's neighbor and he stays 100 मीटर टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ वेस्ट। अब चलो कदीर कहाँ है, नॉर्थ वेस्ट पे, तो नॉर्थ वेस्ट यहाँ से कदीर आ गया। ठीक है, तो रामू काका हो गया राजू रे, रेणु गोपाल अय्यर, मुत्तुस्वामी चिन्ना स्वामी रेणु गोपाल परम्बतूर वेणु। ओके, तो बोल रहा है देन वेयर इज द पोजीशन ऑफ कदीर्स होम इन रिलेशन टू रामूज होम। तो रामू काका के घर से कदीर का घर किस रिलेशन मतलब किस में आ रहा है, तो गाइस बोल रहा है कि रिलेटेड टू रामूज हाउस। तो रामूज हाउस पे देखेंगे ना कि कदीर के हाउस से रामूज हाउस देख के यस 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 कर रहे, मोए हो जाएगा। फ्रॉम रामूज हाउस इट इज इन विच डायरेक्शन, साउथ वेस्ट। आंसर इज साउथ वेस्ट है कहाँ, देखो पता नहीं कायला घूम रहा, गिंगड़ ए डिंगर पता नहीं कहाँ घूम रहा, साउथ वेस्ट इज द आंसर है। हाँ, साउथ वेस्ट इज द आंसर। ए डिंगर। The 5 boys A, B, C, D, E are sitting in a park in a circle। बताओ, यहाँ तो पार्क में कपल्स लोग बैठ रहे थे, पार्क में बच्चे बैठने लगे, बहुत गलत बात। सिटिंग इन अ सर्कल, तो बनाते हैं हम लोग एगो बनाएंगे हम लोग सर्कल, ई बन गया सर्कल भैया। अब सर्कल बना तो सर्कल में क्या बोल रहा है, 5 बॉयज A, B, C, D, E। A इज फेसिंग साउथ वेस्ट गाइज, कौन सा ये है साउथ वेस्ट, तो A इज फेसिंग साउथ वेस्ट, ऐसा ये होगा, ऐसा मत कर देना ऐसे, बिकॉज दे आर सिटिंग इन अ सर्कल, मतलब क्या सर्कल में बैठ रहे हैं तो दे विल सी टूवर्ड्स द सेंटर की तरफ देखेंगे, इसलिए A किधर फेस कर रहा है, साउथ वेस्ट। ठीक है, ये साउथ वेस्ट है। उसके बाद बोल रहा है D इज फेसिंग साउथ ईस्ट, D भैया फेस कर रहा है साउथ ईस्ट, तो ये हो गया हमारा D किधर फेस कर रहा है, साउथ ईस्ट, D इज फेसिंग साउथ ईस्ट। देन B and E are right opposite A and D, so B is opposite of A and E is opposite of D, so B is opposite of A, तो B opposite है A का, तो देखो भाई B opposite हो गया A का और E opposite हो गया D का। And C is equidistance between D and B, C is equidistance between D and B के equidistance is the C। Now they are asking which direction is C facing, which direction is the C facing, C facing in which direction, east। What is the answer, answer is sir east होगा। Now next is last question, this is a very easy question। okay, ये हम लोग को पता है कि सूरज डूबा है यारो, सूरज किधर से निकलता है, सूरज निकलता है ईस्ट से, इधर से सूरज निकलता है, और सूरज डूबता किधर है, वेस्ट को, सन विल सेट इन द वेस्ट, तो वही है सूरज डूबा है यारो, दो घुट नशे पे मारो, रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बारी के। ओके, तो अभी क्या बोल रहा है, इफ मोहन सीज द राइजिंग सन हियर, तो राइजिंग सन मतलब सन किधर होता है, ईस्ट, तो मोहन सीज द राइजिंग सन, यहाँ पास मोहन है हमारा, ए नन्हे मुन्ने मोहन तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है, मुट्ठी में तकदीर हमारी। मोहन को बहुत गंदा बना दिए हैं जितना उतना पहना नहीं मोहन को। तो मोहन सीज द राइजिंग सन बिहाइंड द टेम्पल, मतलब बाबू साहब यहाँ पास टेम्पल है, जाइए सुबह सुबह घंटी बजा के आइए टेम्पल में। लो घंटी बजा दिए। तो what is saying, Mohan sees the rising sun behind the temple. So see, Mohan is here behind the temple, he is seeing the rising sun. Okay, mean the rising sun is in the east. And setting sun, so sun is setting here. Setting sun behind the railway station. This is the railway station. ट्रेन आ रहा, ट्रेन आ रहा, ठीक है, रेलवे स्टेशन है। तो मोहन सीज राइजिंग सन बिहाइंड द टेम्पल एंड सेटिंग सन बिहाइंड द रेलवे स्टेशन। हाँ, मतलब रेलवे स्टेशन वेस्ट में, टेम्पल ईस्ट में। What is the direction of the temple from the railway station? So from railway station, what is the direction of the temple? So see, from railway station it is east. मास्टर जी आंसर आ गया। आंसर इज इन ईस्ट। तब ऐसे बनाएंगे आंसर आ जाएगा। ओके, सो I hope everyone understand this chapter, direction sense test. Nothing to do, you have to use your sense, you have to test yourself in a direction. 5 out of 5 marks. Otherwise, moi. Okay guys, so see this video, and if you have any doubt, tell me in the comment box, and this PDF I will share you in the Telegram, and I will send you the more questions to solve in the Telegram, which you will become more perfect. So logical reasoning, guys, become perfect in that. So 5 marks in your hand, because logical reasoning easily 16 marks, 18 marks you can score, and statistics easily minimum of 25. So here only you will get around 42 44 marks. Now mathematics 15 16 marks is the bonus for you, so you will reach around 60. सर जी हम पास हो गए, नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चे तेरी मुट्ठी में क्या है, तो पास हो जाओगे। तो I will send this PDF, and I will send a few more questions in the Telegram channel. So practice, and this Sunday you will be having a test for the direction sense test, and that question also I will send you in the Telegram, and after that I will send you the answer key so you can check it. Okay, but answer key you will get on Monday, so you can check whether what you have did the wrong, and if any type of doubt you can please ask me. Okay, so twinkle twinkle little star, I wonder what you are. Okay guys,